mainly divided into two major categories. 1. Axial fans. 2. Centrifugal fans. Each type works differently and is used in different situations. Axial fans. Simple airflow, low pressure. Axial fans move air in a straight line, parallel to the fan shaft. These fans look like propellers and are commonly used where large airflow is needed, but pressure is low. Where they are used: outdoor condenser units, ventilation systems, exhaust fans. Advantages: simple design, low cost, high airflow. Disadvantages: cannot handle high pressure, not suitable for long duct systems. Types of axial fans: A. Propeller fan. B. Tube axial fan. It is vane axial fan. It has centrifugal fans, high pressure duct systems. Centrifugal fans move air at a right angle, 90 degrees, to the fan shaft. These fans are used when air needs to move through ducts with resistance. Where they are used: AHUs, FCUs, duct systems, industrial HVAC. Advantages: can handle high pressure, suitable for long ducts, more efficient in complex systems. Disadvantages: larger size, higher cost compared to axial fans. Types of centrifugal fans. 1. Forward curved fan. Low noise, low pressure. These fans have blades curved in the direction of rotation. They are commonly used in small systems like FCUs. Use: residential HVAC systems. Feature: quiet operation. 2. Backward curved fan. High efficiency. These fans have blades curved opposite to the direction of rotation. They are more efficient and consume less power. Use: AHUs and commercial systems. Feature: energy efficient. 3. Radial fan. Heavy duty. These fans have straight blades and are used in tough environments. Use: industrial HVAC, dusty air systems. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make these mistakes: using axial fan in high-pressure duct system, ignoring static pressure, selecting fan based only on size, not performance. Always choose fan based on system requirements.